Hello everyone! It's raining outside, and so we decided to make our new project here inside the house. Since it's raining outside, we are making a toolbox out of steel plate. It is already formed into a box, and we are making now the lock to make it safe and secure. And it's all done. We have the box already, and the handle will be mounted. Ayan. And we put the chain as the lock. That's it. Then if you are going to open it up, you can see all the tools safely put inside and locked to avoid losses. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. If you wanna order, just message me and we'll make it for you. Thank you.